Welcome to today's Ultimate Linux Showdown, where we explore two of the most popular distributions of 2026, Fedora 43 and Zorin OS. Choosing the right Linux distro has always been challenging because there are so many options, each tailored for different types of users. Whether you are a complete Linux beginner, a seasoned developer, a gamer, or someone who just wants a fast, stable computer, understanding the strengths and trade-offs of Fedora 43 and Zorin OS is essential. Over the next several minutes, we will break down everything you need to know to make the right choice. We'll look at performance, security, ease of use, customization, software availability, community support, hardware compatibility, gaming, professional use, updates, long-term support, accessibility, aesthetics, and overall user experience. By the end, you will have a clear picture of which Linux distribution suits your needs best. Let's start by looking at Fedora 43. Fedora has long been known as the cutting-edge Linux distribution that serves as a proving ground for technologies that eventually appear in enterprise distributions like Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Fedora 43 continues this tradition, incorporating the latest Linux kernel, advanced desktop environments, and support for next-generation hardware. Booting up Fedora 43 immediately shows the focus on speed and efficiency. GNOME 46 has been refined for smoother animations, faster transitions, and reduced latency. This makes the user interface feel exceptionally responsive. The underlying Linux kernel 6.6 brings enhanced performance for modern processors, including Intel's 15th Gen and AMD Ryzen 8000 series. Users can expect improved power efficiency, better thermal management, and faster input-output operations. This is particularly noticeable when compiling code, running virtual machines, or managing large datasets. Fedora's commitment to cutting-edge software ensures that you are always experiencing the latest performance improvements and security enhancements, often long before they reach other distributions. One of Fedora's key strengths is its focus on security. SLinux, or Security Enhanced Linux, is integrated deeply into the system. SLinux enforces mandatory access controls, preventing unauthorized software from accessing sensitive parts of the system. This level of security is typically unseen by the user, but it works silently in the background, ensuring that even if malware were to arrive on the system, it would have limited capabilities. Fedora's update system, powered by DNF, allows for quick installation of software and patches while also providing tools to roll back problematic updates. This combination of security and flexibility makes Fedora an excellent choice for power users and professionals who prioritize a secure and reliable operating system. In terms of software availability, Fedora's use of DNF and Flatpak allows access to both the latest versions of popular software and a wide range of open-source applications. Flatpak ensures that even if a package isn't included in Fedora's official repositories, it can be installed safely and reliably without worrying about dependency conflicts. This is particularly useful for developers, gamers, and content creators who often need bleeding-edge software. However, this cutting-edge approach can sometimes lead to compatibility issues, as newer packages may not always be fully stable or thoroughly tested. Fedora assumes that its users are willing to troubleshoot or adapt when new software occasionally breaks, which aligns with its philosophy of providing the latest Linux technologies as soon as they are available. On the other side, Zorin OS is designed with a very different philosophy. Zorin OS has become synonymous with accessibility, usability, and ease of transition from Windows or Mac OS. While Fedora emphasizes innovation and control, Zorin emphasizes comfort and familiarity. Zorin OS 3X, the latest release in 2026, refines this approach with a polished desktop environment, Zorin Desktop 3, which blends GNOME, ease flexibility with user-friendly tweaks and layouts. Zorin allows users to select desktop layouts that mimic Windows, Mac OS, or a classic Linux interface. This drastically reduces the learning curve for newcomers and helps users feel at home immediately. Performance in Zorin OS is also excellent. While Fedora may slightly outperform Zorin in raw speed, thanks to its latest kernel optimizations, Zorin focuses on user-perceived performance. Apps launch quickly, animations are smooth, and even heavy multitasking feels fluid. Zorin Lite, a lightweight variant, ensures older hardware can still run modern Linux efficiently, giving new life to older machines. Software management in Zorin OS is straightforward. The system relies on Ubuntu's LTS base, snap packages, and its own curated software repositories. Users can install apps with a simple click from the Zorin Software Center, which is highly intuitive. Unlike Fedora, which may require familiarity with terminal commands to access certain packages, Zorin is designed for users who prefer graphical interfaces. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners, casual users, or anyone who wants Linux that just works. Zorin OS also includes pre-installed software such as LibreOffice, GIMP, and Steam, making it ready for productivity and gaming out of the box, whereas Fedora requires a few setup steps to reach the same level of functionality. Security is another area where Fedora and Zorin diverge. Fedora, with SE Linux and rapid updates, provides a highly secure environment from the start. Users get the latest security patches almost immediately, and advanced security features are enforced automatically. Zorin OS, while secure thanks to its Ubuntu LTS base and regular updates, focuses more on accessible security. Tools like an integrated firewall, automatic updates, and straightforward system management make security approachable without requiring advanced knowledge. While Fedora emphasizes proactive security and control, Zorin emphasizes accessible protection and peace of mind for everyday users. When it comes to customization, Fedora encourages users to tweak and optimize every aspect of their system. GNOME extensions, multiple desktop environments, custom kernels, and advanced system tweaks are all readily available. Fedora is ideal for power users who enjoy experimenting and optimizing performance. Zorin OS, in contrast, offers pre-configured customization options. Users can easily switch desktop layouts, apply themes, and modify interface elements without ever touching a terminal. This balance between aesthetics and usability is perfect for users who want control without complexity. Fedora appeals to the technical enthusiast, while Zorin appeals to the everyday user who appreciates simplicity and polished design. Community support plays a critical role in user experience. Fedora has a large, passionate community of developers and contributors who are often willing to tackle complex technical questions. Forums, mailing lists, and official documentation provide detailed solutions to almost any problem. But this community sometimes assumes a higher level of technical knowledge. Zorin OS, while smaller in comparison, has cultivated a welcoming and beginner-friendly community. Tutorials, step-by-step guides, and forums are designed for users new to Linux, ensuring questions are answered patiently and clearly. For users who may feel intimidated by Linux, Zorin's community provides a more accessible and supportive environment. Hardware support is a strength for both distributions, though the focus differs. Fedora's cutting-edge kernel supports the latest processors, GPUs, and peripherals. If you own a brand new laptop with the latest Intel or AMD hardware, Fedora often provides the smoothest experience with the newest drivers. Zorin OS benefits from Ubuntu's extensive hardware support and includes proprietary drivers where necessary, ensuring compatibility with most consumer laptops and desktops. For most users, Zorin works flawlessly on standard hardware, but Fedora shines on the bleeding edge of new technology. Gaming is an area where users may see meaningful differences. Fedora supports Steam, Lutris, and other Linux-compatible gaming platforms. But newer games may require additional configuration due to Fedora's strict adherence to open-source drivers. Zorin OS makes gaming more accessible, with pre-installed Steam and driver support, reducing setup friction. Casual gamers will find Zorin the easier option to start playing immediately, while power users willing to tweak their system may extract slightly better performance from Fedora with kernel optimizations and driver tweaks. Professional use often determines a distro choice. Fedora's fast update cycle and access to the latest libraries, compilers, and development tools make it ideal for software developers, data scientists, and content creators who need the newest technologies. Zorin OS, with its Ubuntu LTS base, prioritizes stability and predictability, making it ideal for office environments, teaching, and professional workloads where reliability is critical. Zorin's pre-installed suite of productivity tools ensures you can start working immediately, while Fedora offers flexibility and cutting-edge tools for specialized workflows. Installation experiences differ as well. Fedora's Anaconda installer is powerful and flexible, offering advanced options like custom partitioning, LVM, and full disk encryption. While excellent for experienced users, it can be intimidating for newcomers. Zorin OS offers a simple, near-automatic installation process, perfect for users migrating from Windows. You can install the entire system in under 20 minutes without worrying about complex configurations. This mirrors the philosophy of each distribution. Fedora emphasizes control and precision. Zorin emphasizes comfort and simplicity. Updates are another differentiator. Fedora pushes frequent updates and new kernels, ensuring you are always using the latest software. This provides cutting-edge features and security, but requires a willingness to maintain and troubleshoot your system regularly. Zorin OS, based on Ubuntu LTS, updates on a slower schedule, prioritizing stability and long-term reliability. Users who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it system may find Zorin more appealing, while those who enjoy frequent improvements will prefer Fedora's pace. Long-term support is crucial for stability and maintenance. Fedora releases have a 13-month support cycle, requiring periodic upgrades to remain secure and supported. Zorin OS offers 5 years of support with each major release, reducing the frequency of upgrades and making it ideal for users who want a stable environment over an extended period. For families, businesses, or long-term deployments, Zorin's LTS Foundation provides a low-maintenance experience. Accessibility is an area where Zorin OS particularly excels. Built-in tools for screen reading, magnification, high-contrast themes, and keyboard navigation make it one of the most approachable Linux distributions for users with disabilities. Fedora offers accessibility features as well, but they require more manual setup. Zorin's focus on inclusive design ensures that users of all abilities can use the system effectively from the start. Visually, both distributions have made huge strides. Fedora 43's GNOME 46 desktop is sleek, minimal, and professional, providing a clean, distraction-free environment. Zorin OS offers multiple themes and layouts that emulate Windows, Mac OS, or traditional Linux desktops. Its polished visuals are combined with vibrant, modern aesthetics, making it approachable and visually appealing to new users. The choice between a professional, minimalist feel and a customizable, familiar environment will largely depend on your personal taste and workflow requirements. When comparing Fedora 43 and Zorin OS side by side, the differences are clear. Fedora prioritizes innovation, cutting-edge performance, and control, appealing to advanced users, developers, and enthusiasts. Zorin prioritizes accessibility, user experience, ease of use, and stability, appealing to beginners, casual users, and those transitioning from other operating systems. Fedora is fast, secure, and flexible, but demands a higher level of involvement. Zorin is comfortable, polished, and intuitive, but trades some bleeding-edge features for stability and simplicity. Both are excellent distributions, but your choice will depend on whether you value raw performance and cutting-edge software or ease of use and long-term reliability. Ultimately, Fedora 43 is best for users who love to experiment, tweak their system, and stay on the forefront of Linux technology. It's perfect for developers, technical professionals, and enthusiasts who enjoy control and don't mind occasional maintenance. Zorin OS, on the other hand, is ideal for users who want Linux to work seamlessly from day one with a familiar interface, pre-installed applications, and long-term support. It's perfect for beginners, casual users, families, and business environments where stability and simplicity are prioritized. In conclusion, both Fedora 43 and Zorin OS offer incredible experiences for Linux users in 2026, but they cater to different audiences. Fedora challenges you to embrace the latest technology and rewards you with speed, security, and flexibility. Zorin makes Linux accessible, polished, and comfortable, ensuring you can be productive immediately. Understanding your priorities, whether they are cutting-edge performance, ease of use, security, stability, or aesthetics, will guide you to the right choice. The choice between Fedora and Zorin is not about which one is objectively better. It's about which one fits your workflow, experience level, and personal preferences. Whichever you choose, you're getting one of the best Linux experiences available today, and the world of Linux has never been more exciting.